In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Freddy AI's summary generator in Freshdesk to summarize tickets quickly. We'll walk through how to turn on the summary generator in Freshdesk and use it to create clear, concise ticket summaries that help your team understand issues faster. This is great when you're handling complex or long-running conversations and want a quick snapshot before jumping in. First, open Freshdesk and sign in to your dashboard. You'll need access to the admin area to enable the feature, so make sure you're logged in with the right permissions. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Admin. From there, select Freddy to open the Freddy AI settings page where all the AI features can be configured. On the Freddy AI settings page, scroll to the Summary Generator section. If you see an option to activate feature, click it. If it's already enabled, you may see Configure instead. While you're here, ensure your agents have Copilot licenses assigned, since access to the summary generator depends on those licenses. If licensing is managed by someone else in your organization, just confirm that your team is covered before moving on. With the feature enabled, head over to Tickets and open the ticket you want summarized. This can be any conversation where you'd benefit from a quick overview. In the ticket view, look to the right side of the screen for the Freddy AI panel. Click Generate Summary to let Freddy AI process the conversation and compile the key points. In a few moments, you'll get a concise summary that highlights the main issue, the customer's context, and the latest updates in the thread. This makes it easy to understand what's happened so far without reading every single message. Take a moment to review the AI-generated text. If you notice any nuance that needs to be captured, you can edit the summary or add brief notes so it reflects exactly what your team needs to know. When you're happy with it, copy the summary and share it with other agents to streamline collaboration. This is especially useful for handoffs, escalations, or quick briefings before a reply. You can also keep it handy to guide your own response, saving time while maintaining accuracy and consistency. And that's it. Freddy AI now helps you summarize tickets automatically, making support work faster and collaboration smoother. If this tutorial helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.